Hello. Today I want to share with you information on public speaking. I know I've been there, I've done that. Because my name is Kathy Thompson, and I was born with a pencil in my hand, and I love working with words. I do have a BS in speech communications, and I really like the podium. I also spent 20 years in Toastmasters. In the Air Force, I was a master training instructor, and I have taught my own programs all around the country. So here's tip number one. Recently, I was asked for some comments on making pitches. Well, you need to start with a hook. Something will get their attention, like ask a question or something. How would you like to know when someone is under too much stress? You need to get them involved and then ask to work together, something like that. And then continue with more and more and then seal the deal. Now, this can go for all marketing, whether it be speeches, writing articles, or ads. And here's the formula. Get their attention, tell them what you're going to tell them, then tell them what you told them. And I've used this approach using on Air Force recruits, in Toastmasters, and my own classes. Tip number two, you need to take care of your voice, especially when it's only a few days before speaking in public. And one of the keys to being effective in public speaking is to have a nice and clear voice. And thus you should take care of it, especially just a day or two before your speech. That means you should not have any cold drinks, and you should also avoid staying out late at night. And also you should refrain from shouting. Tip number three, modulate your voice. And in other words, don't be monotone. Voice modulation simply means changing the pitches of your voice. And modulating your voice will also prevent your audience from going to sleep or confused. And aside from that, with effective modulation, you can get help, put more emphasis on certain words. Learn more about moving your pitches up and down. It can be very effective, and you can put them to good use, like, I want to be with you, or let's go outside and do this. Up and down with modulation. Number four, give it time. You should keep in mind that it can take some time before you become a really skilled speaker. And so you should practice more and don't get easily discouraged. If you're not as effective as you expected to be yourself, but just practice more, aim higher so that you can attain those goals. And tip number five, be determined. Being determined in whatever you do can take you to places you never saw before. So you should be determined to provide your audience with a speech that they will truly remember. Your determination can help you in preparing for it. Aside from that, you should study well and tailor the content of your speech to properly match with your audience. So, if you would like more help, head on over to my Yes You Can blog. And there's lots of information and help with public speaking made easy. Thanks for stopping by.